What is up, guys? RabbitUp7 here. It has been a while since we made a video. I think it's been like a week and a half. But we've actually run out of stuff to make videos on at that time as far as unboxing videos go. So we've got a few things ready to open up and show you guys, and some more tracks in the making and stuff like that. So yeah, just want to get into this. We got one of the new mystery models for the newest series. Series 3 of these ones. I don't know, it's not Series 3. It's got to be like, I don't know how many they've had now. This is the second one with 2 rares, 3 rares. This is probably Series 6 when you add up all of them ever. Or Series 7 of these ones in the bags. But yeah, I don't know what I don't know what series this is because they keep rebooting the Hot Wheels mystery models. But this one has some pretty cool options. You got Bone Shaker, Ford Ranchero, Power Pipes, Muscle Tone again. They do too many Muscle Tones, I think, in these. Avant Garde, 52 Chevy, Bedlam, the 67 Chevelle Super Sport, 47 Willys, and Silhouette. I'm hoping for either Bedlam or Silhouette. Power Pipes maybe. They're all pretty cool. I don't want to get Muscle Tone again. I've gotten a ton of Muscle Tones from these things. But yeah. Shows the freaking code right there. So I got Muscle Tone. Dang it. I don't know. I mean, it's not an ugly color. It's just, it doesn't know if it's trying to be like a 60s design or futuristic. I mean, you got these SpongeBob flowers on it. I just don't like the whole design of this car in general. The faster than ever wheels. I think those are faster than ever wheels. Orange interior, hot pink, or more like a purple orange. It just doesn't work for me. Dang it, I just realized that the code was right there, and I realized what it was the moment I opened it. We'll have more of these in the future. That kind of sucks. Here's another thing to show you guys. This is a 71 Porsche 911. This is, I thought this was like a rare car for some reason. All these Marcus Walker Urban Outlaw cars. I thought these were like some sort of chase assortment, but no, they're just a regular addition to the Nightburner series. I'm gonna be leaving this one in the box. I'm starting to collect Porsches, and I thought this was pretty sick with the racing livery and stuff like that. Red chassis, gold wheels. I really like it. So yeah. We also got a I almost just said 1997. Another 17 Jeep Wrangler, 2017 Jeep Wrangler. This one in red. I love this model. Pretty cool truck. I opened up the green one. I'm going to be keeping this one in the box. Thought this was pretty cool. And yeah, I think that's it for now. I got a ton of other stuff in the making. I always say that every time, but we are working on a slow-mo video that's going to be uploading this weekend. And a few other projects that take a while to do. And other stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.